With Christmas almost here, it's time to think about getting a gift for that special friend, something that they'll remember you by. And there's no better gift than a living plant, something that will grow and remind them of you forever. Now, the only thing is, how do you know what colour flower they like? White? Maybe it's pink, blue, green, or yellow. Well, you don't have to worry about that if you get them a gift voucher. And the very best gift vouchers you can get, ones that drive your dollars further, come from Garden Express. Garden Express are Australia's leading and most trusted online garden centre, and they've got a massive range of plants and products to satisfy every garden lover's needs. Simply visit gardenexpress.com.au and browse. I challenge you not to find something that you'll want for your home or garden there. Get a 20% bonus by purchasing a $50, $100, $150 or $200 gift voucher this Christmas. And take the guesswork out of giving a gift by purchasing a Garden Express gift voucher. And if you wonder how this works, well, it's simple. You give the recipient's details and a personalised message to Garden Express. They'll then email them a redeemable code. They redeem it and go shopping and get what it is they truly want. It's a great way to go. If you want to be old-fashioned and give them a gift certificate, Garden Express have got those as well. It's incredibly good value, but to put it into context, you spend $50 with a 20% bonus, you, a colleague, a friend or a family member will get to spend $60. You spend $100 and with a bonus, you, the family member, friend or colleague will get to spend $120. $150, you'll get $180. You spend $200, you'll get $240 to spend at Garden Express. What a wonderful way to say I care. And for those of us with friends and family all over the country, this is the perfect way to get them the perfect gift. You're going to place your Christmas orders now? You want to do it with gardenexpress.com.au.